Hi editors! In this video, I'm going to show you how to separate the foreground and background of an image to create an animated parallax effect in Premiere Pro. Please note that this effect works best if you set the image duration to between 4 and 10 seconds. To start, select the image layer. Go to Effect Controls panel and increase the scale of your image to 120. Then double-click on your preview screen and move the blue circle anchor point to where you want the effect to target. Duplicate your image by holding Alt key and clicking and dragging above. Highlight the duplicated image. Go to Effect Controls panel, under Opacity section. Click the pen tool and start tracing around the image in the foreground until you go all the way around and click back to the start to complete the trace. Now put the time indicator at the start of the image layer and click the scale stopwatch icon. Then move to the end of the layer and change the scale value to 140. Now highlight the original image. Go to Start of the image layer. Click the Scale stopwatch icon. Then move to the end and change scale value to 100. In the end, select Duplicated Layer again. Go to Effect Controls panel and increase the mask feather and the mask expansion a little bit to get better result. Now please like this video to support me and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Wishing you all the best and see you in next video.